Welcome back to DevOps Camp. In today's video, I will be going through how to download Ubuntu 22.04 ISO image and install it in VirtualBox as a virtual machine. First, go to your preferred search engine and search for Download Ubuntu 22.04. Then click on the search result with the URL releases.ubuntu.com. In this website, you will find several options to download. Since we are interested in installing Ubuntu desktop version, let's click on the desktop image link. It will directly start downloading the Ubuntu ISO image to your preferred download location. Now that the download is finished, let's open Oracle VirtualBox in order to install the downloaded image. If you have not already downloaded the latest VirtualBox software, use the tutorial listed in video description to download it first. Assuming you have the VirtualBox installed on your computer, I will continue the tutorial now. Click on New on the toolbar to create a new virtual machine. You can give any name that you like to the virtual machine. I will name it as Ubuntu 22.04 here. Then, you can choose where you want the virtual machine to be installed and files to be stored. Next, select the previously downloaded Ubuntu ISO image from your downloaded location. Make sure to tick Skip Unattended Installation so that you can manually assign resources to it. Then click Finish. Now that you have created the virtual machine, let's assign resources to it. For that, click Settings on the toolbar. First, let's assign memory to the virtual machine. Since this is a desktop installation, it's recommended to provide minimum of 4 GB of memory. I am assigning 8 GB of memory. However, you can assign anything above 4 GB. Now, click on Processor tab to assign CPU cores. Assign minimum of 2 CPU cores. I will assign 4 cores. However, you can change these parameters anytime if you face any issue. Also, you can increase the video memory. But this is optional. We will talk about this in a future video. Click OK to finish the resource setup. Now, we will start the Ubuntu virtual machine installation. Click on Start to boot up the VM. Now, from the Grub menu options, select Try or Install Ubuntu using arrow keys, and then press Enter. If you click inside the window using mouse, you will have to click the right control button in the keyboard to enable it again for the outside VM purposes. It will take some time to boot up to the installation menu. You will notice that even if you maximize the virtual machine window, it won't take the full screen. This is due to not having the VirtualBox guest editions. Don't worry, I will guide you through that in the next video. Now, click on Install Ubuntu to start the installation. Select your preferred keyboard layout and click Continue. I will move on with the default settings. In this window, select the Install Third-Party Software for Graphics and Wi-Fi option, and click Continue. In this window, keep the default setting to erase disk and install Ubuntu, and click Install Now. This won't do any damage for your host file system, as it only uses a virtual free space from your hard drive. Then click on Continue. Now, select your time zone and click on Continue. In this window, set up a preferred name for your profile. Keep the username and password in mind, as they will be necessary for later purposes. Then, click on Continue and the installation will start. This process can take up to 1 hour depending on how speed your machine is. I will skip to the last part now. After the installation is finished, click on Restart Now. This will restart the virtual machine, and then will ask you to remove the installation media. You can just press Enter to go through that. Congratulations! Now you have successfully installed Ubuntu 22.04 Virtual Machine. Use the password you used to create the profile and log into your user account. You can skip the next prompts and start testing out Ubuntu until the next tutorial. In the next video, we will go through optimizing graphical issues of the virtual machine by installing VirtualBox guest editions. That's it for this video. If you enjoy the video, please like the video and subscribe to DevOps Camp. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.